Morosa me enam de prem to reka se bono ebro afei yenhwe emunsam ankasa ena ebronya da toso aduonu miensa anampo aduonu 24 December eyene na enam so yakọ Central Business District anu Kumasi edwakese monom ene yesi adwadifo mo bwa peso ebi nko ebi mma obi edi ni dwa etwato achesa akwakọ ye nikasem ye pa na ebinim chesa afi wadie o nyame adama enema koyie adwadie ekoso adeton ekoso ebi nso chesa afi wadie enkoyie sei na bi nkwan
UTV nsam trefo wo Kumasi wasantema ebo apro eko Kumasi Central Market na no de ye nyina enim se bronya na akato ne bro na bronya na edu na se ne afi bia no bronya bre ebedu a omo to ade ananso omo ton bronya niema ebinum afi bia se ne omo ta aka na ebinum se ye to ade ebinum so se ye nto ade enti ebeye den ebeye nwanwa se ebedu afi bia ye ba bedi bronya adwadifo nyina beka se ye to omo niema pa na ebeye nwanwa so se adwadifo nyina so beka se ye nto niema enam so ema UTV nsam trefo kopie mu ema ye ne omo eton bronya niema anase niema omo eton ni nyina afi bia no bronya bre na omo susu se amamfo beto ebinum kire se ekoyie ebinum so kire se enkoyie ebinum kra kire se afrase no na omo susu se na ye ese ne afiwe na no na ebibuza se afrase so kra no emra UTV nsam trefo kopie na dodo na so se na eno so enye sen na amamfo a omo di dwa Kumasi Central Market ACA kasa efa se eton niema anase yento Niema.
Bronya biaba bronya wedi ehuru so. Eniema ni mo offense ye ntoma ye. Wo mo ba bobo anu atu atene. Eti ye nwanwa. Seskani ni wa. Ye sana na do office kani nwu omu boto. Omu to bi ma ye.
Obi baka de bia ye ntade. Nya se ye ntade. Eniema na nipa ne pere dos na obi aton bi na ba bia bie. Ufiri atonsu ne oboas kwan ba kwan ho nyina obi aton ade.
Dom ni eniema na yakoso kakra. Emu aya de na nso nya pisa bia nya na no aduane ye nyina ya hwehwe no
afi bronya ekoyie me ba akro nse mitimi hye me nyama ade to na me beduru abe 5:30 enkofo gu me so saa ntafe na menya kwan kakra me yede be hye me nyama ade to ne de eye afi de ekoyie pa
aniema ekoyie pa ye so afi na nada romantika bukro oto ade so ye to
dwane de nyame na dom yanka sa enye nyankopon wadi kan hye de ubenya nti uba de ubenya no eno ana ubenya eye
ana de ye ba ye ne de nyankopon da woro ma no pai eniema akoye kakra ma me pa omo to no wan sa every time nkosi anwumre de na awurade acha ma na so mi so bi enti ana de dwane ye
nti bi nka sa enye eye because dwane bu ye ja wo bia mo bia ti ba bi pe ne de obedi enti bi nka sa nyankopon chichiri ni nyina afa ma eye mi de meka sa alhamdulillah
Sabronya edru so say ya na empempi no enema asa de ya na bebre etumi epiepie edwaso mankrofo tokodi ekoyare na no na Food and Drugs Authority for ede atodwa say drink na friend Lucozade no wacha say makomako aha nwotwe ene mienu 802 asai ene wodwa so wo magine nyina da asai no
around September this year FDA issue a release about the fact say na inconformity sisa the expiry date of Lucozade was somewhere around La Paz. Now what actually happened was that FDA nya information and you sending officers to that area La Paz and na omokoti so say yes inconformity expiry date na Lucozade no expire in September 2019 and almost sisa date in September 2020. And immediately no FDA arresting Kofono and seize the whole consignment 2 cartons. Now one carton containing about 24 and the 802 cartons. Now yes this trend. Meanwhile case no a police phone him minimum somebody court. Yeah, pese ye alert the general public say it's wrong. Wukoto adi wo kroma hwe ade ne ye especially expiry dates. Wo hwe right you know expiry date no one say akwai ti say adibia omo try say omo paper asan tro and now one say omo alter date no and now anything slight about the products no, that makes it suspicious yes remo mamonto mo reporting my FDA for FDA to investigate the issue and measure man for apart from that no when you are patronizing products during this season, make sure say the writing on the labeling is in English. Product bia nkofo ton a troye no ye ntro wo profokasa no just say FDG to mu ye. And even say writing no or any other language no, the English translation must be there. So every product that you patronize on the market should have the inscriptions written in English.
Bronya ye di eja ene enkania ena edie esan se enkokɔ ne mu a ye to nyina ne gya ne de be noa wo de no to nchen a enwuma kese ebebo bronya mu nyina so ne nyina eye enkania ho asem eno ena omadumja adwumako mu panyipa ede ato Ghana fo nyina nim se ne di madai momodin ase gya ne enkania no ye behwe ne yie se de be ya enkofa eja hyehye bia emma wa bra ye di bronya.
Omega na dum judgment ekofo de omo ehye Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols and afi womo de enase som so eto aso e wo matena ekese mu eye fire service headquarters wono mu en womo edidi sa adwumade we nyina na no mu en chief fire officer e de Magana National Fire Service Ora Edwin Eko Blankson wode afutu be kode Magana fo nyina se obi anhwe ne hu yie se ne be ya enkoba se buronya ye ye die no eja hyehye bia babejo obi so na do yone ababejo Omega so.
This year is Christmas. Must be fire free. I'm not saying that to end the operation 5 days.
Amapanya be di ekire Dr. Muhammadu Baumia ede aso akobo fom atwahomemu a wode ebebie kwan ama 38 km Koko Road. The free benchmark junction eko adwafoa ye kwan no e wo bia West Meslimu atoemantemu no wonum ahyase aye.
Ghana man penyina be de akire eye onimonyamfo Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia aye amane ne amamre ewo Western North se omo enhyase na omunyi akwan da honoma ye baka se Koko Road eye 38 kilometers eno efri Benchema Junction ekopim adwofua na saa ekwan eye Ghana Cocoa Board na omudi saa adwuma no eno ene friend se Koko Road aye no betima boa ama Koko fo a omo wo honum nyina betimi aboa emra omo abodwa na nanam atrakonwa ene penyimfo pi ebepie mo no ena
yenim saa kwan yi ni history NDC omo wo ho no munim se 2011 omo kaati sword anko yi 2014 omo kaati sword anko yi anka MPP government that so wo ho from 2008 ekodu 2016 na anka kwan yi ya yedadada enti Nana Akufo-Addo obaye ose kwan yi yenhwe kwan a yebefa na yatime ye kwan yi because kwan yi 50% of the coal in this area is fasa kwan 50%. So kwasa kwan yi is the most important road in the Western North region. So sa kwan yi de yewia obia ho betono enye sa kwan na yeye kwan pi a yeye President Nana Akufo-Addo say sa fi a eba 2020 it is the year of roads yasiesie yasikasem enti sa time yi yedisa sika no ekoye kwan year of roads enye green book roads no biu eye fili roads.
Onimonyamfo Joseph Wahin Edu ena ye chief executive officer edema Ghana Cocoa Board ono so ekasai ekire mu sei
abawe no MPP aba na babia okai efaafo no enti ebesra mo se aya mo so mo nkai bi hwe bra ye campaign ya bonto aye koduru esam akuafo bebre begina ho se omukoko ne hye na omukakwa na dodo na ase awia ana makoko ne hye sana ye koko asabro yare ana aka koko o mampanyina da government wa me akogi sika ye betwa ni nyina ya dua ni nyina foforo na nya saa kwa we nko ana aban no edi hudwuma akoko board ye boa ekwane a efiri enchi eko eye elubo eno nso no ye de be ma bonifita pa am wasiesie kwana mai ye be ye no kotale pa ɛkɔpɛ sika yɛde boa ama ɔma yɛ saa kwan wei nyinaa.
Ɔman hina ɔno wɔ sehwehwɛ ɔso ɛyɛ Katachie Kwasi Bumangama a ɔtɔ so mmienu ɔno so ɛkasa wɔ dwumadie n'ase.
Mene mpanyinfoɔ nyinaa ɛde abaa ase sɛ ɛnɛ da yi yɛbɛhyia na ɛkwan a yɛaka ho asɛm ɛnɛ aban so yɛbɛyɛ ama yɛ nti yɛbɛde abaa ase so tumi yɛ ma yɛde a ɛne yɛwie mfin da biara da.
Oswafo hwe ensase ene emu nipa so ononyafo kwaku asoma kyereme akasa ede atomani na enyumakuo ahodo ewo memu enim se ne die mada wonom eto ana tax no wonom enhwemu ntua ne ye esanse aban ebehase ahwe wo mu sikasem ene wonom emfutuo mu wo de sansem wetu dwabra kyera no gold mines ene no Western North Mantamu no wonom ede wo nwanam ekoma aban.
Oswafo ase ni obo ade bobrensem so Minister of Lands and Natural Resources wonumonyam foko kwaku asoma kyereme wodi nsem we nyina no atudwa ebra kyera no gold mines a wonum ewo Western North region eye atoye etifido mantamu womo edi sikaboti anase eto a womzu se eye aban dia ewo adwuma omaye nyina mu ede ma aban no ene wodi nsem we nyina no ba beto eye mining companies ahodo ni nyina anim so womo nso nhwe na womo entua eto bia na etwa so womo de ma aban esanse aban nani bekoso adi womo achi.
Last year, I kept on mentioning your company's name to all the mining companies that look at this. Chirano has come to pay. What are you doing? What are you paying? A company that we had in mind that it could have done better. It could have paid higher than yours. And all such companies have been subjected to auditing. And I am aware that currently you are also under auditing. We audit all that work all mining companies are doing in the country, so that we know how much you are earning and how much you repatriate into the country and to which extent that you are using this good money to help the country to grow. We have done mining of gold in this country over 100 years, but we don't seem to see the benefits of that.
Awusan for ye to akase bono eso asoye hwe enwumasua ensem so wonom ene taxin for aka abo mekowiase do boni fense Ghana Higher Education Fair no wonom aye bina we no eye de toso edu miensa enkana ha se na omu eye but aye da koma so nyina ne se asuafo a wonom ewo entoso suku mu no betumi ama wo mahu suapon adesua ni so ene course anyame ya dum no mu du suapon mu a wonom ebe nyina no wo bie nani so kakra ede akyekere wonom.
September da na edika won fimpim yenu ani edu ensumu enaban edin toso square yakwa ebaye nti wonno mudika ko ye ne de Afia besime 2020 no mu bewie enkoda be empem 400,000 bewie ababetene fie na hyiapon dodo se no munim Ghana ase yenu enti ena so ye hwemu masua so ene ekobia wondin ene itex one ada dwumede bia de ababebo enkora no no mahu schools ahodo ye wo Ghana ase hyiapon de a ombeko mu akwakusua de ne ne mahodo dwumede no mudan wadi e wo 13th Ghana Higher Education Fair no ase Mame Katrina Piapin crying ewo asoye hwemu masua so a on UTV edi enkomo.
Ghana is committed to its United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 4, which is to ensure that by 2030, by which we have also pegged our education strategic plan, which spans 2018 to 2030. We want to make sure that with the SDG Goal 4, we'll be able to do what we have put in place, and which also covers areas like high Tezonas is running now.
One of the dwumadi ni bi enso ne UTV edi enkomo.
Senior high school students all final year every year, and ya no for this year kan ho 12 years ni. This year 12 stops across the country from started from north. 2 stops for eastern region and 2 stops so western region.
Sorry ne ankra bi universities. And so students ni bi home, to be honest, apart from KNUST, Legon, Cape Coast, Krampo no ebi mo wakra homunim. And so no oteben hwa. Nti se de ayine kosa na students ne ba na ma wo mu enku ne wo homo a enko betumi aye e wo mu SHS level na ebe ma wo mu access to these programs.
Na sa 13th Ghana Higher Education Fair, omo chese mantem dunsi wa Ghana asini nada no ombe bi ho.
Kanima Penny Ora John Dramani Mahama Akasa Ede Atudwa says Ghana for to Abama ni biem ema no beye omampania wasi kwan bia so kata se esumasi dwumade ene proye meche corruption obeni fom die na afi wakoatia ede atu aseye pa wasi kokwasa MPP aban wonom ye ede afa kata hye esumasi dwumade ho no wasi ono nko ade ohun so ni senti obabie mu a wono ne betu kata hye ase.
God grants me a second term in office, we will see a more transparent government. We will deal more with the issue of corruption in terms of strengthening the institutions that deal with corruption. Corruption is something that affects everybody. And the best way we can fight it is to strengthen the institutions in order that they can work in the fight against corruption. If you appoint an office of special prosecutor and you hobble the prosecutor so that he's not able to prosecute anybody, then you cannot keep saying that we're fighting corruption because we've created this office. The Auditor General, from the reviews that I've heard, is doing quite well in terms of the work he's doing. People like that should be encouraged rather than discouraged. And so those are things that we'll do. We'll come with a renewed fight against corruption. We'll introduce mechanisms where award of contracts are more transparent than they currently are. We'll improve the procurement, of government agencies so that it benefits Ghanaian indigenous companies rather than foreigners.
For yet wakasi bono eso kanema mpanyu ora mahama nsimu an yeda so ewo chese napkono eyade no no ebeboa ama etu eye woni ene na monten so na wonum enya adwuma nye ase meche unemployment.
Things that we call ad hoc job creation, and so because you don't have an immediate solution to something, you resort to an ad hoc solution. And so things like NAPCO are temporary fixes, they are not permanent fixes. And what we need to do is to look for a permanent fix. I believe that if we invest more money in expanding the digital economy and ICT, we can find many jobs in that sector for young people. We're currently doing what we call a human resource gap analysis of the public sector. There are many areas where we still need manpower, but we're not able to fill because we've not done an analysis of where the jobs are. And so we're employing in other places where we already have a saturation, when there are areas that we can employ more. And so we'll do a human resource gap analysis of the whole public sector, and we'll fill the vacancies. This will include the Revenue Authority, how we can improve efficiency in the Revenue Authority, the police force, the other security services, in agribusiness, in state-owned enterprises, and so on and so forth. And so we'll do that so that we can see how to expand the opportunities available to young people.
I was on for yet wakasi bono eso National Teaching Council NTC eye opanyi wa ye omutrotro for executive secretary eye Christian Adepoku wakasa ede atudwa se teacher for amomo entity eye newly trained teachers no wasi emu hamu nchemu aduonu enum 25% de omo qualify se wo ebeko classroom akochirade
hwemu enipa nkasa bi wako GHS awie wa pass ne de wako secondary school na wa pass na wako college of education ya pass de again so hwe de ba ne okasenka enipa no faili ensi bekom no betime enipa be se be 20% ya omo antimi amomodin yi ada se ni nyina na se bia omantimi ba kubi wo omantimi ana mienu bi wo omantimi ni nyina kire ye se wo se ye improve ewo ye training e de ma ye nkwada no so both at the tertiary level no ye basic and senior high school ni nyina ansa na college of education for no so de course wo hamfo na ye twa mo hu se it's not completely well nipa ni bia ya de fine ya said ye kind of infimi no atwa mu no etiminya bia 78% 75% ni ade na se unya 75% 25% na aka no omo ye nipa omo hu hia Ghana bai omo hia ye nkwada ne so beba classroom abechirade nti ye pepese omo so betimi pass nso hwe na ye hu se ye wogidi omo se omo ba classroom omo betimi achirade schools ni bi ho omo nchire especially omo ye French ni say no ye nchire omo numeracy ye problem ma omo nti omo koso omo ka control license na be say numeracy no omo modern mo no wo form na omo ye early childhood so no dodo no an sheda anye numeracy no nkomu into details and ye basa almost no license no control and mamunya problems nti eno nyina ye nsem a ebeba abonten wa bra yes a enhye mu yi
Opanyi a wohwe Kumasi Kropon no emu nsiesie so meche meya a wo Kumasi ono nyamfo osai SB entry akasa de atodwa se kane no na Kumasi Kropon na wanu nyampa enu nti ne etu ne din se the Garden City of West Africa na so ne sa no nyam no ye penechira kwan ye hu na no ene wagina so de ato adehya wono wo Kumasi anim se ne de mada wo bia mo se be na sa enu nyam na ayira no wo mbesa ne akofa ababiemu
for osesibe entry ena ye mayor edema Kumasi na wo kire se emre bi aba na Ghana ha obia enim se yaka Garden City of West Africa na ye Kumasi efise na wo bepiem ewo Kumasi enua eye ahunedi a na ahunedi enso so sesi asa na yema ni nyina ade a wontimi fa wani enhu kura mbobiem yaka kura na yebuza se enti emre bi atwam a na Kumasi sei ena na esi etia na Garden City of West Africa na odemonyam for osesibe entry kirem se achia enso emui ewom se sa na yema ni nyina ekọ enso enimanim ya ade and adesi omo wo Kumasi anasa santemante we betima ye na wo kasa emra adwumakuo ya from Person Construction omo etima ye fountain kama omo to ne din Anoche Square e wo Central Business District e wo Kumasi a omo airpa no e na onwonyamfo osasibe entry e kasa se obi ansom se de be ya sa anka ne se ne Kumasi city no e betimi asaye sa biem
the crown betima ye fa enye city authorities nkoan all inclusiveness omo sapenti omo dai no afa sa na se obia owo adum so penti wo dai kro we se no abanya de yenhwe no se de yan kran ka se de futu ene de ma obi biare wo Kumasi se wo hwe obi de yi a wo de yi na we ni de we have somebody who is going to be interested with it se sa bia we de Betson company ne de hye nensa didani de nyina ono ene be hwe ene bio be ma environmental officer so no de ne beto so wonhwe say danny day nyina no every week bia no my report on it eni beku hu ne ya hese ye mane nsei
kwanchefo penya ono ene wo Betson Construction Limited e owura kojo owusu
Betson Construction adopt sa square way ya gidi se ye de nya bi ka ho a ye be ye se be ya oti kokko so bo hu se ne nananom ya susu ye pese ashanteman ekonanim Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly o manfa enhyehyeye enwu akwamu a fountain ye hu ti se de na ye hu ni e be hu ni tantantan ti so bi to bibi ko ho na e ma so twen a emu oden aba ba je di se fountain ye be di ni
for yetwa kasie bono eso Links Entertainment wonom aye 9 lessons and Africa Rosibi e de agege wo mu e fancy eni kwan ba kwa no mo sa afa so na wo ma agege wo mo fancy nyina ba e de wo mo akowura eye bronya afahye no emu ene ene kidi ene woni akochi amekwa mene kwam yuji mu nyina no na wo mo ewo hobi
So right now I'm going to tell you the real story. This is a real story, one of Christmas story. Charlie, yeah, be like twins Charlie, we forbid they no say. Then born Jesus, then we did. We will pay Mary in Uber fare. We will take Jesus go daycare. Everybody know the Christmas story, say Mary gets belly, then we never know the puppy. One angel Gabriel tell Mary, say this is kiddy, dear Charlie, he go worry. I'm begging God, I'm begging God, I'm begging God, I'm begging God now. I'm taking it to London. Hey, I'm begging God now. One more time, everybody sing. Did you think I don't leave you not for me?
God has been good to us, you know, and right now we're in Christmas. We want to say Merry Bronya to everybody. And Charlie, we will enjoy them. It's Munina, all the fans out there, just never keep supporting Dope Nation because you know you people are and we know they, you understand. Charlie, everybody for make sure say they will take very good care of themselves because we want to see you 2020. Let's have some fun. It's Dope Nation. Everything has been so well. Your bumper is 2020 will be better than the years that have come to pass. It's all about Links Christmas. My name is brothers, Kwame Eugene, Dope Nation, and Brad Penny, Ochame Kwame Adina, and so we're here to give people the start of the Christmas. It's Osha Gofa Barnum, just celebrate Christmas with Links Entertainment. So yeah, so internet Osha, this is just so we're just celebrating Links Entertainment right here. But you actually don't. But you actually don't. A big go catch
I'm a fan, say, no more. I mean, do as in Jomo one for don't know more mammy. Only a cashier car because I'm supporting me. I'm even shying now. 2020, trust me, this year 2020 Empire. I better say, you're 9 shout 2020 Rockstar.
I am just a human being, but if you fire, I will be the trouble. See, if you can't forget, I mean, what do you want to see me on my knees?
Na Santam one about our commissar in Semi 2 just said 2020 Krata Ibrahim dia to aba a year register no one at the for ebe banano and a NDC mpanyimfo akasa de ho de se dia to Ghana for nyani se wo munye do mbetim dia emfa emmo about our commissar hyehyeye no engu.
We organize biometric registration. Today, as I speak to you now, about 60 million Ghanaians have their name in the biometric data. This year alone, the Electoral Commission has used that biometric register to organize 3 elections. When the assembly elections were organized, the Electoral Commission said that the election was successful, the processes were smooth, so there was nothing wrong with the process. If you have used a system to organize election only 4 days ago, how do you turn around and say that that system, which you have described as a very successful election, you just come and say that you are going to change the whole system? We in the NDC and other minority parties have said that we will not agree to a new register. You don't need to throw the baby and the bathwater away because the baby is alive. It is the bathwater which is empty. Let's throw the bathwater away and keep the baby alive.
You better resist any attempt by her to introduce a new voter register. Abrofo said almost if it is not broken, you don't fix it. The register no, you see the answer. Problem here anymore. Yeah, money says 700 million and over. And for your new register, Emra, ye teacher foka, Emra Yanka Quayina, I say, Emra hospitals, and Koyi, I hear Scano, and then teach my baby, Abuagana Mai. Yayaka say, hashtag drop the register now.
I was on for year to Cassia Bono so what they are disredia at so 1 year to a car who near mammy chest spare pass dealers and 1 year a coffin near ma who do from who does the Ghana habit to importers and himself need dear mother one of El Shena Ghana Revenue Authority and Shishayan or Mumra. Womu enisuno muntia eto eye tax no na no betumi aboa momone GRA for ntem krampo etumi ayekama.
Ura Samuel Fori na okasa ewo dwumadie bi Trucks and Spare Parts Importers Association a yekua womo ekaboma womo eda na di no na wo kire se obesre womo se womo ankasa womo kra niam ba ne womo de niam afiri ekono Ghana Revenue Authority eto no de womo beje se de be ya oman no betimi enya sika etimi ade aye mpontodwuma na osre se mprepi eya na amanfo fi se GRA for ha adwene na no na wo kire se womo won hyehyeye bia se wo kra niam na se wo de niam afiri oman ha ekọ a womo hyehyeye se de be ya nhyehyeye no betimi akototi no osre wo mo a se wo mo enni so se de be ya bibia betimi awie peye
futu epese ma mo say as importers and then business people ye catch them say ye ejuma ye no ye gie etuo ana revenue enti je mbe ye bia no yese mo ye transparent omunim niama dudu o container mo ye pese trade facilitation no enkosu enye se ombe concealing niama bi say ye chi container no a 1 or 2 ye hu se bibia ni mo a next time ye be declare mo genuine importers obi am how mo bi nanso compliance level no ye lower se de bia ye ko ekwan no so ye chi uniama na ye nya short collection na infraction a ye say obetua with penalty 300% penalty enti ye plead with them say omo declare niama no nyina so omo declare niama no nyina o container mo a ebebua abanu na benya the needed revenue.
Nana edu mensa eya makumi ne ono ena besi asante hene anan wadwumadie na so ono so kasa ena otitire ni e de masa ekuyo so ye Robert Techi
adempa monya se mo ka mo ho abomu se nipa kutabota ye baako se ye kofa ni oma ba ebe memu ebe ton ekwan yeso ye fa so edi aboa Ghana man enchichire eno no nti na hia se ebe keka ye ho abomu se ekuo ba ko emma eno na be me nya ahoden na se ba bibi se ne aban ana se customs for eno mu di djuma no se ye ka bibi a ometumi aboae amaye ho ye haw eno nti yemfa adwen fan yemfa no predie yentua yeto
in fact yakon se 2 years ni I said yehunu say yentumi confront omo with abufuo anase bibisa I say ye dialogue nti ase ye no mu nyina atena se ne share ideas together because yehunu say sika bi wo kra yitua enipa befu say wetua sika ba sika kra bi enko aban ho eno tu ne yakan ho abom se mpo enhye bi wo ho ne sa aban be so ya wonto yensam frɛ anase no mu nyina betena se na yedi atoye na nkoye se eye ntokwa ya tese abontene ye iride ye call radio so akokasa ne sa na ne pesi twa
Openyo oda senate adwumakuna no a wone Dr. John Ofori Tenkran wakasa dia to dwa se ghost names ahodro mu yiye edi firi wo mu enwoma ahodo emu no aboa amasese no wo mu atumi anya sika 62 million Ghana cedis ede ama aban
Nsamadi awodre was net nkrata so no enopanyiri kwatrefo ede emas net adwumakuno Dr. John Ofori Tenkran so moyini nyade firi won mu entino November bosume no mfimpienu ni edun krumusika omode to won mu oman no 62 million wadin sen wese tudwa ewokufo edua poye mantoma hinkrumobra omoye ntetiye ede ema adwumayefo ochechiri mu ese niema bebre na net aya aboa Ghana fo pa Dr. Ofori Tenkran ede to pensioners anase wono maye adwuma pon na nimu se omo enko abefo hye mo edi abane so nko twetwe mu din biem na ebeboa wo
se wo do sa be di ba di so so oti ase de a ano de muslim bia ni yetu ya woka ba se wo ampa sa be ti ma bidie ne so a then ye betwe say e bia nyankopon ato na sa afro ntini a stop payment no ye twa so nti se ye twa so na e bia ye mistake ne aye na oti ase a wo de friend na wo ka chere say oti ase Brian office ne be ka chere say oti ase ne be ma unsa de etima bidie no so ne a chere say ye wan pasa wan kan ankasa na waba no ana so obi fofo say ye ne hu say wan kasa payment bia ye ntua bia in the past bia ne be na be ka mu ne akoso tua nti ye sa exercise way 2018 if 2018 till now, you are saving 62 million Ghana cedis. Coming starting from February 2020, you better ability pensioners. Border room before a few days of border room actually Ghana select pensioners and even contributors how register biometrically they say more than into an office now going to do
Yenuanom asabi wadi dem ewo nipadua emu ye Ghana Society of Physically Disabled womo efa ewo emfifi mantam emu dwemtrani a woni Georgia ochei wakasa de adesedia to dana adedankwa ekufu ado Ghana mampanyin se ani die mada woni e edi dem no woma wonom ensa no dwuma bi enye ewo eye mensina hodo mu no betumi aboa mo ankasa no apɛ wo mu enwuma aye
obedi dem no kwa kosua sanu adwuma anase wo school pe woni wona omu ni dem no ne kokotena baabi ba kosua de aya na wona omu ni dem no edi omu adapa atwe panti ama omu nya opepa ne wodo emfensua de no ama mabra bom so aye popra eno enti ena otitinani edi ma wona omu di dem ka bum ko a ewo mfimfiri mantemu owura George Yauchei edi ato aban senkebe ya wonpe baabi mfa ma wo mo enu yentete bia sonko na ka abo aso mo asitem adumpon papa
ka district bia nanka yewo center bi wo ho a yenso ye nyina ka bom ekosua ade eye bibia enkebebo e pa nti say disabled center wa ho nanka wa sidan bi amaye ne esua adwuma wo ho ye bibia ho na omo ape atofo amaye esanse edamdifo no ye wonsa no adwumafo ye mu pa
abakra chipinyo wo awutu senya east mesenim Ora Michael Yamesa editor wo form mo edi den nim se mo form nso munyini pie na sambre no ewo mo abiom betimi edi ama won
udi dema enchese wuntimi nyahwe this is a special supporter His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo through the assembly yɛde boa wɔm with the common fund nti no ne yɛ ne sɛ kaso mo dɔso nti no yɛ baloto ti baloto yɛ no wem no Mosaka district nyamboa before Easter so yɛbɛsan another presentation na bi Mosaka mto no afi bia no yɛ wɔ hyehyɛ yɛ na yɛ momo brano
Yet wakase bono eso bisake dan Ghana dwumtuni e na oya ade pa ne nyum so de egufu ma jai chen enkwan eda santimanta mu nkwan kama pa na wodwumade bi watu din bisa first na we no wasa ye biem wone ne mfefo mo bonyo mo so ya ade no e na akan bom ayesa bisa first mu
Let's go. I say your desire go come. You go that time, so more best myself. Saka mapoma pesa ni air so banka chawa mayembe but you can't but you 3 point reason will I keep my so yeah misa it can remo beko embrace jodoya
ye nyina ka se bia ye tu ya dream mu esen kola no bi ye bibi no me invite ye ma na chese ye pese ejum to ejuma no yegu no but me amachi de me pese akoda ketekete kura so ye bibi na se me fi se edimputuo ebeba industry no mu a ese invite me a me kwana me kobo no me weshi o mu nyina everybody me fans nyina me weshi o mu nyina Merry Christmas.
Madam for the bisa, the be bisa you be o to me for pa. And you know, invite me program me to me kasa member. And say me dey boa no, and I had fun on stage. Bonya be me catch every fan say me here am alive. And so obi no mo nsan obi drive me pa mo show. Mon drive boko na mo no so mo hwese na be no me pa mo show pa. Me da mo se pa.
Dwuma die bia my madwen say me ya afi bia e dey support high life industry na am high life na etumpon. Na someone so buy and own vibe no on the echo what to say and easy say obenya ne say and the bisa first obia aba amana fefe enti me do ma sepa me woni ma bebre a me pesa me de ba enti Ghana for expect
Amahudo so ensem enie basi bi akonya akwanhyi